is Nikki the Bombshell Biker. I am finally in South Dakota. It is 8:30 at night here. I'm freaking exhausted. It has been a long day of flying, but there is a bitchin' lightning show happening behind me. In front of me, I guess. I don't know where to aim the camera. It's everywhere. Excuse me. Excuse me. So what they say, it rains every year at South Dakota, at Sturgis. Very fucking true. Just really glad I'm in a car. Alright, so now that I have a vehicle, the beard is out to dinner with everybody that's already here. I'm like the last to show up for the party. Oh man, but I'm gonna get some food and get there so I can take a shower and go to sleep. I'm very excited. And to see my husband. Very excited about that because I've really missed him. So I will keep you guys posted. Bye. Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it is the next morning. It's Friday morning for me. Woke up here in beautiful South Dakota. I'm home now. I don't know if you guys are ready, but I live here now. This is home. So, ha. So right now we're all just kind of chilling at the house. We're gonna go ride up to Mount Rushmore. I'm going to be backpack today. Not real thrilled about it, but it is what it is. At least I'm getting to be on a motorcycle at Sturgis, so I'll take what I can get, you know? But yeah, so I'll try and keep you guys updated, little clips here and there, but I'm really excited. I'm so tired still, but I'm really excited to do this weekend. And I was very, very happy to see the beard last night. I missed him a whole lot. But alright guys, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye. Bye. Hey, what's going on YouTube? We are here at Mount Rushmore. I don't know if you can see it. But I'm here with some pretty awesome people. I have Dirty D's. Look at him. What's so happy? There's a wild meatball. The JT Southern Fried. Christopher David Lawson. Mr. Kansas Guy. And a bearded bomber. What? But yeah, so we're here. This is a bucket list item for me in my life. I've wanted to come here since I was so small. We just never made it to this side of the country, so I'm super, super happy to be here, and to be here with these group is pretty dope. Alright, I'll check in with you guys later.